to my channel. This is the Working Home Boss, and I'm back again with Remix. This is a staffing agency, and they are currently hiring for a remote order entry rep. So to apply for this position, you must live in West Coast, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, Colorado, or Utah. So if you live in any of these states and you're interested, please continue to watch. All right. So this position is paying between $23 and $25 an hour, and this is for a order entry rep. All right. So with Remix, they have many benefits, including fully insured health plans with a national insurance provider, including plan options that include comprehensive coverage. So they have medical insurance, dental, vision, term life, short term, retirement, and also free online educational classes. So the schedule for this job will be an 8-hour schedule between the hours of 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. So the large manufacturing company is looking for friendly customer order reps or order entry reps. So this position will be entering orders into their system all day long, processing client orders, working with purchase orders. So this particular for this particular position, this is a temp to hire. So you'll be working temp, and after about 2 or 3 months, you can apply with the company directly and get paid that way. So again, the position is a remote position, and you must live in Arizona, Oregon, Washington, Colorado, or Utah to apply for this position. So some of the responsibilities will be to navigate builder portals, extranet for purchase orders, construction plans, schedules, and selection sheets, reviewing stone order pricing information, pull plans for digital plan room, follow a set process for entering customer stone orders into their ERP system, work closely with internal sales department, input customer and account data for source documents within time limits, compiling, verifying accuracy, and sorting information to prepare source data from computer entry, reviewing data for deficiencies or errors, correcting any incompatibilities, and checking output. You will scan documents and print files when needed, respond to queries for information and access relevant files. You will need 2 to 4 years in a high volume data entry capacity with complex order entry, customer service, and an eye for detail. Excellent communication skills. You will need to be strong in Microsoft Office, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Excellent attention to details. Basic skills in 10-key computer or calculator, computer software, and data entry, and the ability to make arithmetic calculations. Okay, so if you have these qualifications and you want to make between $23 and $25 an hour working from home and entering orders for this company, I will link the description. Well, I will link the website in the description so that you just click on it and you will press the apply button. So if you live in any of these states, you can apply for this position. Okay, so I want to thank you all for tuning in to this video. I just want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch my videos. I've reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm trying to reach more. So if you know anyone that is interested in working from home, or you know anyone that has a background that has trouble with finding a job because they have a background, I also have a playlist for felony friendly positions as well. So check those out, share those with the people, share it to your social media, please let people know about me. Okay. So again, I want to thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, and Boss is out.